Is I ripped off these roots, these branch roots. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today plan is to go other village where is a lot of tea plants to just explore those things, and village side little bit we will cover. So it is a little bit far away from my village, so right now we are all teammates together, and now we are planning to go outside. So yeah, it's a little bit far and it will take time because we will go by walk. So let's see what we get to see there. So now we are heading towards outside. Well, which way we will go? This route we will choose. Well, wind is blowing, weather is very good. Yes, let's see what we get from this shop. This is our local shop. So guys, you can see this is our local shop. Look at this guys, this is our cell tower. It is not working right now. So right now left like this. Road is wetty. Villager people reaction is completely different guys. As they see while I'm vlogging, they just curious that what I am doing. So Aryan, how do you feel right now? कैसा लग जाए? अच्छा. Oh, nice. So Aryan says I'm feeling well and nice. Stable weather right now, right? Buddy. This is primary school of this village, and this is football ground, guys. This condition of this school is it's been ruined. So I will try to hang up with this with this branch, guys, or what? झूल बोलिस ना. Guys, I want to look at this. I ripped off these roots, these branch roots. This primary school of this village, and also here is sometimes play football, local villager peoples. Both side has iron bar, and that side also. And right now lot of cows are grazing here. The school condition is very bad. That one is good, but this one is very bad. So now we are heading towards our village, and then we will return from there, guys. So yeah, let's go. The weather is good, but it's going to rain, as you can see, dark clouds. People are trimming tree leaves here, and this is English medium school. This school looking good, guys, and it is well maintained. There is no teacher, no student right now to see. Otherwise, lot of kids used to play here in this ground. So this is all bamboo plants. It was empty, guys, 10 years ago, but right now you can see full of bamboo plants, tree, and this is next to this. Our road is very. What did you say? Keep quiet. So this is our mini market, tiny market. So guys, we crossed our tiny market. Here we have crossed, and right now we are heading in a different village. Almost we have crossed 4 villages till now, and this is 5th village. Again, in this village here's lot of shops. So what will you buy? Tell me. Or do you wanna buy buffalo? Here is a buffalo. No, I don't want to take selfie, or I don't want to take dive into this pond. Do you wanna dive this pond? Okay, dear friend, now you can go. Go and dive. You will watch here. I will watch from here. We diverted our route, guys, and as you can see, this is tiny narrow path, and it will take straight. If we will go, we will get only tea gardens. So yeah, let's see. So Aryan, do you want to say anything? Are you hungry or thirsty, or are you just exhausted, tired? Simply describe your problems. I will hear and sort it out if possible. Then I don't know. Aryan, be careful. Here it is slippery. You will fall. You are going to sleep. No, you are not going to sleep. Here's in front of us, as we can see, we have arrived finally our destination, guys. As you can see, oh gosh, except here, there's nothing to see in this land. Lot of people wasting and gossiping, and I don't know what they're doing. I heard there are many leeches live here, so Aryan, be careful. Bear in mind that one of these leeches will come and will bite you. Oh no, no, I'm just kidding, Aryan. I'm just kidding with you. Don't take seriously. Wow, literally cool environment, yeah. Isn't it amazing? So guys, we have arrived at our destination. So as you can see, it's a literally beautiful, and here, except tea garden, in this land, this area, there is nothing to see. Oh my god, kids are laughing. These boys are laughing at us. I understood why they are laughing. So Aryan, finally we have arrived. Would you like to say anything?
Yes.
What? Look at this mound of these tea leaves. Jump, Aryan, on it. So guys, here we will explore a little bit, and then we will go back home, because you know it took 30 minutes to get here. We will not spend much time here, and then we will depart from here. This is really a giant ocean. Aryan, would you like to dive on it? Go then. Huh? So this is giant tea garden, guys. We have entered, and we encompassed with this tea garden. This is a massive. We can't cover this entire tea garden. People, a lot of people walking, trimming, and even spraying, I think, some chemicals. So Aryan have tired, he exhausted. Aryan, you have exhausted, right? Walk slowly and take break. Yes, I can understand your problem, bro. Same problems through I am going. So why not? So guys, we choose this tiny, it's kind of earthen dyke, and through this we will go home. We have explored enough, and it will take, I think, 30 minutes or hours to get my home from here. Pretty well. A lot of people loading, unloading their tea leaves when we were arriving, but right now it's sunny, and now literally I'm feeling a bit tired. So Aryan just scared. He thought that there is a snake. Well, actually there was no snake, and there's no need to worry. I'm here, Superman, so you don't need to worry. Got it? So guys, oh my god, I was just about to fall. My feet got stuck. Now I'm free. So guys, this is massive tea garden we can't cover, and now we have explored, and right now we are departing. Aryan says he's insisting that right now we want to go back. Yes, we are returning. So you can see guys, this is entire tea garden, only tea, except tea plants. You can't see anything else, nothing else you will get to see, on the tea leaves. So there is a village. Now we are heading towards that village. So Aryan, what you were saying, and you shut down your mouth. Say hello ladies. So those girls wanted to say something. They are just staring at me. I don't know what. They have something to tell me. What did you say, Aryan? I didn't pay heed. We are almost about to reach this village. This is a strange village. Literally, yeah, same condition, bro. I am also exhausted. Same condition, I am also exhausted. So that's why I'm walking a little bit fast. So Aryan just stopped because he exhausted. What was that? Don't disturb Aryan. We will go non-stop. Our destination is so far from here. Just keep walking. We have crossed tea garden, and right now we are heading towards home. And literally I'm sweating, and he is also, because it's sunny right now. So guys, we have arrived this, I don't know what it called, this village, and now through this path we will go. Okay, so this route we have to choose. This is our route. So finally we have arrived, and it will take 20 minutes, I think, more to go back home. Wow. Where is this transformer? I'm bad at where is this, next to pond. Literally guys, I'm sweating, and he's also, it's heavy sunny today. So we have entered this market. There are many meat shops. What happened? What did you say, bro? So this is temporary market. Now we are leaving this temporary market. Lot of chicken. Yeah. So we bought chicken, and right now we are leaving this market. So I am right now sweaty guys. I have to take showers, and Aryan also. Aryan just again and again trying to sit and wanting rest. We will take ample rest. Is this clear, buddy? Buddy. Hi. Aryan. Finally I have arrived in my home, and that's all in this vlog. For more vlog like this, Please like and subscribe my YouTube channels. I'll see you in my next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye for now.